All right, hello everyone. This is Angie with Okra Pantry. So we are actually doing packaging right now for our first sale of 2022. So also here I have my kids with me, my little helpers. They're helping me to do packaging and everything. So check them out.
Video.
Yep, that's Mendel. That's Kelsey. They helped me to put the labels on everything. So as you can see, this is donut grease, white donut grease.
Hello, mateys. Hello, doctor.
So that's the white donut grease. We actually packaging that. Also here you can see we have some Liberian country bread. We also have some waist beef. They'll be going up on the site. We also have that's Walla. That's some bitter cola. Also, we got dry rice and fufu medicine. You can use it, cook, eat it. Yeah. So we got a couple other things coming up. Got some coconut oil. That would be coming also. Yes, Medel, that's Walla. Yeah. So remember, remember us because the goal for Okra Pantry.
From like
Remember that the goal for Okra Pantry is actually to bring Liberian cuisine. I mean, celebrate Liberian cuisine, but also bring Liberian food from the soil of Liberia to Liberians. I mean, within the country, but also mainly those that are in the diaspora as well. So continue checking us out. Visit okrapantry.com. Order from our shop. We are also on Facebook. We're also on Instagram. So check us out, all right? Because eventually Okra Pantry is growing and you'll always remember where we started from. Thank you. And also remember, let me put it
always stay happy and rise up. Bye. And you subscribe. Always stay happy and rise up.